Just pretend all of it is pure white, okay? Pretend it's all cocaine, okay? Queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you're new here, and I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the finger wave tutorial party, okay? And if you're not new here, welcome back, friend. I'm so glad to have you again. So today I actually have somewhere to go, and I was supposed to film this finger wave tutorial for y'all a long time ago, like a couple weeks ago, well, maybe like a week ago, when my blonde was very fresh. Because as you see now, it is not fresh. I just washed my hair, but you see like my black roots are coming in, so I don't know, hopefully this finger wave tutorial turns out to be as fire as I'm imagining it to be, but let's see. So my hair is wet. You always want to start with wet hair, and let me show y'all what the back looks like. The back look kind of crazy, okay? Let me get a mirror, because I try to edge myself up, but my hair is also, like I said, growing in. So like you see this whole section that's dark right here, like that's because my hair is growing. So the black is overpowering the blonde in the back. So just pretend all of it is pure white, okay? Pretend it's all cocaine, okay? Yeah, I'm a He's watching a movie and he's acting it out. But anyway, so I'm going to apply a little bit of conditioner. This is the Hydrolux conditioner. It's white, so it works fine for me. When you have platinum hair, you want to make sure you're using products that are like white or like purple. Not purple shampoo, not purple conditioner, if you're going to leave it in. But basically, you don't want to use like colorful products, if that makes sense. Like, you don't want your shampoo, you don't want your conditioner to be yellow or tinted, you know what I'm saying, because it can tint your hair. So I'm just applying some of that. I applied a little bit. I forgot to show you how much I applied. Let me do that again, because one time I had that question, and I just be forgetting to show y'all. So I put like maybe this amount. I'm not gonna put this much in my hair. I just did some more to show y'all, but I be forgetting to show y'all how much product I use sometimes. But anyway, so I just rubbed that all through my hair, and then I use number 2 secret ingredients to perfect finger waves. For me, it's Eco Styling Gel. This is the one that I'm using right now, and honestly, I only bought it because it's pink. I thought it was super cute when I went to the beauty supply store. And typically I don't go for any gel that has color to it because of obvious reasons. I don't want it to tint my hair. The gel is barely pink, you know what I'm saying? Like, that ain't gonna do nothing. So, and it's glittery, like, oh my god, it's just so cute. This is my first time having this Eco Gel, and it's actually a 8 firm hold. I usually go for 10 hold, but it was pink, so I wanted it. And then this is my new secret weapon. Like, if you've watched any of my old finger wave tutorials, I've never used this in the past. So this is a new pickup for me. I've used this maybe like the past couple months. But this stuff right here, go ahead and screenshot it. You need this, sis. You need this. It's good for wash and go. So if you actually have hair, you can use this too, girl. Which I don't know how you would have stumbled on this video if you got hair, but my current subscribers, some of y'all got hair. So this can be used for wash and goes, twist outs, TWAs, rod sets, braids, pixies, and finger waves. Like, baby, this stuff, everybody needs some of this, okay? So I'm first going to put quite a bit of this on my hair. Let me see. Yeah, pump this directly on my head. This is just gonna get the waves going. Like, this is gonna start it off, kick it off. You know what I'm saying? I just hope they turn out good, because look at these black roots peeking through. Sure. And this is just gonna get the conversation going. You know what I'm saying? Like, how I want my swirl. Let me do that. A side part with my finger waves. Like, I don't like no part in my hair. It just don't feel right to me. If somebody doesn't tell me who, say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name. Kinda shady, keep calling me baby. So now, when you actually start doing your waves, you really gotta just kind of feel the vibes. Like, go along with what your natural hair does. Like, I have a cowlick, so what that means is my hair in the front, like, even if I comb it forward, you see how like humpy it is? My hair naturally grows to the back right there, and then it comes back down. So my hair naturally grows to the back right there, and then I can swoop back down. If I try to swoop this down, it just wouldn't lay right. So I gotta kind of go with what my natural like hair grows. Like, I gotta go in the direction of how it grows. So that's why I always be having a little swoop right there. And then I just take it from there. And I just use my finger to hold certain pieces in place. And now this is not your traditional finger waves. This is not the finger wave tutorial that they teach y'all in cosmetology school. Like, that's completely different. That is not what this is. I had somebody comment on one of my YouTube shorts one time and say, not real finger waves, but whatever, it's a cute hairstyle. I'm like, if you don't get your ass up out of here, like, please. I know this is not your traditional finger waves, guys. I know that. But this is the new age way, okay? No, I'm just playing. But anyway, so I'm just gonna do some swoop de whoops. But see, you see how that black is gonna be so prominent right there if I do that? Oof, I don't know, y'all.
I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say my, say my? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games.
So now this is where the gel comes in, y'all. The setting lotion is good to get the wave started, but the gel is what's gonna really reinforce them. I honestly used to only do my finger waves with gel. I used to not use foam at all. And I just found myself using a ton of gel and my hair would be super crunchy instead of just a little bit of crunchy. So now I mix it with the foam to kind of soften it up. But I'm just gonna take about this much on my finger, and I'm really just gonna use this to reinforce my edges because the edges is what gets the most unruly. And I really want to reinforce, you know, the little waves in the front. That's what I really need to concentrate the gel on. And basically the whole perimeter of your head. I focus it on the perimeter and then a little bit up in the top. So that little bit that y'all saw me use is going to take care of the whole perimeter of my head, my nape, everything. But back in the day when I only used gel, baby, it was a big gook of gel that I would use. And which, that's still relevant. Like, if you don't use foam, you still need that much gel. But we're learning, we're growing. Putting a little bit of gel in certain areas that I feel like may be a problem once it dries. So this is the completed wave. Yeah, I'm gonna put my do-rag on and let it sit, and I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. Like, I actually forgot to film an ending for this video because this was literally the day of the Pretty Little Thing event that I went to a few months back. So your girl was like rushing and very anxious about this event, so I did not film a proper outro for this video, but I inserted some y'all hear right in the back, sorry, but I inserted some clips from the event and after the event so y'all could see my hair. It came out fire. I was kind of like not happy with how it was going during the video, but once it dried, girl, it was giving. It was really giving. So I don't even know what I was talking about. Ignore me. I was tripping, but it came out fire. Leave any questions you have below in the comment section. I'll get to y'all and answer any questions. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, because girl, we are almost at 10K. Like and share the video. I love y'all so much. Blonde Baddies unite. Bye y'all.